Hello everybody, welcome to my official YouTube channel. If this is your first time see us here on YouTube, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button so that anytime we upload video you will be the first person to see it. So in today's we are going to show you how Owodaily work, how you can make some money from Owodaily. I've made video concerning Owodaily on how you can register as a member and a member plus on Owodaily. I've already made the video before. If you have not watched it, you can check on the list of our video on our channel here. You will see on how to register in Owodaily. Owodaily is not just an ordinary website that when you go there to make money and come out, or they will use your money to run. That is not how Owodaily works. Today I'm going to show you on how you can step by step to make some good money from Owodaily. And you can see here is my screen. And what you have to know concerning this Owodaily is that they are paying you for the tasks that you have done. You know, there are many websites there that they will say that you should register, then make some payment, and after the payment, that when you pay some tasks and they are going to pay you. Many of them, they will not pay you, they will deceive. But in this Owodaily, they will pay you in any number of tasks that you have done. So before I will move on, you can also search it on Google. When you search the history, you can search Owodaily on Google, you will see their details. Let me switch it to the other side on the Google side. You can see here on Google, you can see Owodaily. Owodaily is a network where people come together to complete digital job, promote campaign, earn cash, reward, engage as a community, and shop offer. And there are many things that you can do in this Owodaily. I've already logged in on my profile. Here you can see. So the first thing I'm going to do, I will touch the micro job. So in this micro job, all the total job that are online, you are going to see there the job that are online. In this particular place, there are thousands of people that are in this website making good money from it. Immediately that the job is posted there, when you go there, you touch the task, the instruction, what they want you to do, if for you to like picture, or for you to watch video, or for you to do anything online, just to follow Facebook or like a video in Facebook or in Twitter or Instagram. In any of this, you do it. After you have done it, you screenshot it and send it to them. On that the same place, you screenshot it and you upload it. After you have uploaded it, then they are from there going to pay you. So let me take it down for you to see some of the job. The first one here is showing follow this Facebook page at 10 naira. And when you touch this apply, immediately you follow the Facebook page, they are going to pay you 10 naira. And it's not only this, when you continue to do this in 6 hours, you are going to make not less than 10 to 15,000 in a day. If you are able to stay online here, you are going to make good money from it. The first one here says follow this Facebook page at 10 naira, and when you see here 320 people, they have already applied for it, and the total number of people that they require is 1,480 people to pay for this task. And when they are paid for this task, you will see this dark button here. It will now move to the ending. You can see this second one here, follow my Facebook page, and they need 1,000 people, and 306 people, they have already applied for it, and it's 10 naira. When you click on the apply, is going to, after you apply for it, you follow the page. You just go there to the page of the person, you follow it, you screenshot it and upload it in the same place in this website, and they are going to pay you the 10 naira. Then this other one here is showing that post on your WhatsApp story. And when you post it, when you touch on this apply, they are going to show you the instruction. Maybe they are going to tell you that you should post on picture, or you should post on some link on your WhatsApp status. And after you have posted it, they are still going to pay you. You can see that the request for 958 people, and when you look in this first one here, it's showing that 891 people, they have already applied for this job. And you see the other one, you follow my Facebook page again, and they are requesting for 956 people here. And when you see here, 924 people have already applied for it. So I'm going to scroll it down so for you to see many of the jobs that are available from now. And in this job, after the job have loaded to the ending, the total number of people that they request for, after they have applied for it, then that job will now go out. Another one will come up again, and it continues every minute, every seconds, every hours. In a day, thousands of jobs are going to come up here when you are going to pay for it. The only thing is that for you to touch it, follow the instruction, and you do it. It's very simple. You are not going to write anything. It's just for you to like picture, it's just for you to follow page, it's just for you to watch video, and they are going to pay you. The other one here is showing Instagram job. Then they request for 2,070 people, and when you see here, 1,563 people have already applied for the job. And you see that the deadline is loading to the ending, and when you touch this apply, they are going to pay you the 10 naira also. And when you see this other one here, sign up, when you sign up, they are going to pay you 200 naira per each job. And when you see this other one here, follow my boom profile, and it's 15 naira. After you have followed the person on the boom press, when you touch the boom, you touch apply, press that you are going to pay the job. After you have followed the person, then they are going to give you the 15 naira. Then you see the Instagram here is 10 naira. So I'm going to scroll it up. You see many options. Okay, that these are the jobs that are available for now. These are the jobs that are available for now. So anyone that you are going to pay for here, after you have paid it, then it will disappear. Another one will come up, and immediately you pay another one come up. That is how Owodaily used to work. So this is true. Headquarters is in Lagos. I can also show you their address. Is a legit website. When they are paying you, I've already withdrawn some amount of money from my account. You can see the little one, the little one that is remaining on my balance here. You can see it here. This is my the remaining balance. I've already withdrawn some thousands of naira from my account. The remaining one that is the remaining balance on my Owodaily account now is 169 naira 50 kobo. That is the one that is remaining now. So the more you pay, the more your balance is going to increase, and is going to increase higher and higher. So that is how it is. Then I'm going to show you the address of this website. So I'm going to show you. Scroll it down. Their location. If you don't believe that it's real, then you can see their address here. I'm going to show you their address where you can locate them. Their address. So I'm going to touch this contact us. Their address, their headquarters is in Lagos, like what I said the other time. So you can see it here, headquarters. You can see that their headquarters, unit 9, Prince Samuel Street. You can see the address here, and their email address is also here. Their office support, Monday till Thursday. You can see the time here. Their Friday. Their email address is also here. This website is free. It's free. You can make good money from it. So I will apply for one task. Then you will see it there. So these are the tasks that are online now. This one here is showing that follow my Facebook page. So I'm going to touch the apply. I'm touching the apply now. You can see that it's loading. Then the next thing that I'm going to show you is that read the job instruction carefully. Only submit proof after completion. Then follow my Facebook page. The amount that they are going to pay you, immediately you follow, they are going to pay you 10 naira. Then workers needed 956 workers that is needed. Then the workers applied 925. Then job ID, you can see the ID there, job postal report. Then when you take it down, you see job instruction, follow my Facebook page, do not unfollow. Then send screenshot while following. After you have followed the Facebook page, then you screenshot it. Then you come back here to come and upload it. The next when you have read all this, then the next thing you are going to do, you touch this start job. You touch the start job, which is this option here. You touch start job. When you touch it, it will direct you to where the account that you are going to follow, the Facebook account that you are going to follow. Then when you have followed it, you screenshot it. Immediately you follow it, you screenshot it. Then when you have screenshotted it, you come back here. When you have come back here, then you can see the option here, proof needed by employer. Send screenshot proof that you follow. Then all you have to do is that submit correctly your proof below after successful job completion. Attach screenshot if required. Then all you have to do is to come here, is for you to touch this particular option here. When you touch it, it's going to direct you to the image that you have already screenshotted in your phone. Then when it directs you there, you touch the image, then the image will appear here. For example, let me just take it as an example. I will touch it now for you to see. I'm going to bring out some image from my profile here. Then you see. Then after I've touched the image, then I will touch done. Then you see that the image have already come up here. The image have already come up here. And in this one, they said I should like the video. You can see my like button here. I've already liked it. You can see my like button here. You can see my like button here that I've already liked the video. I've paid for this task. I've applied for this task and I've applied for it. I've touched the like button. Then they paid me. They paid for the like that I like for this video. Then after you have inserted the picture here, then the next thing you are going to do, you scroll it down. You take it down. Then you touch this option here. You touch this option. Tick the check box means you have correctly completed the job above. Follow instruction as posted. Make sure submission is correct before proceeding. So I will touch it. You can see that it's shown good. I mean that I've taken. Then the next thing you are going to do, you touch the submission. You touch submit proof. You touch it. When you touch here, then it will show job successful. And when it shows job successfsuccessful, your account balance here, which is in this particular one, this option here, that 169 naira 0.50, there is going to increase plus that 10 naira, which means 179 naira 50 kobo. That is how Owodaily used to work. Then I'm going to drop the link at the bottom. If you want to register in this Owodaily for you to be a full member so that you will be working every day in it, I'm going to drop the link below on how you can register. You touch the link, then it will direct you to where you can register as a member. Like what I said in that first video that I made concerning this Owodaily, there are 3 options here. The first option is just honorary member. When you have registered, you have registered but you have not found your account. that is a member there. Then when you have fund the account, there are two types of funding there. They have a fund of 5,000, then the other one is 15,000. But the one of 5,000, you are only to apply for job. But the one of 15,000, you are to apply for job, and you are also allowed to post job in. For example, in the one of the 5,000, you cannot post any job there. But in the one of 15,000, like when people are doing competition in outside there, in a Facebook, in Twitter, in YouTube, in any of these social media, and they want their picture to get more likes, and they are looking for people on how to do it, you can meet them and convince them that you will bring more likes to their picture, you will bring more subscribers to their picture, to their page. Then when you agree with them, you make the arrangement with them, they are going to pay you. Then from there you post your job. So these are the difference between the one of the 15,000 and the one of the 5,000. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button, so that anytime we upload any of our new video, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you. And remember, I'm dropping the link on how you can register. When you touch the link, it will direct you automatically to the page. Thank you for watching. Bye.